Hi YouTube, it's Dodo8449 here. Yeah, today something quite interesting happened to me. Well, by the time this video is uploaded, it'll be yesterday. But I basically ended up in Minehead today. I was taking a friend over to a rugby match. I said I'd watch him and drive him there and back. But basically, obviously they have to, warm up and so on before a game. So I had about 45 minutes, 50 minutes, something like that to spend doing something. I was trying to work out what to do, and in the end I decided to go down towards the sea, the seafront. If anyone doesn't really know Minehead, it's sort of on the north coast of Devon, Bristol Channel area. So I headed down towards the coast, and on the way I thought, I know what I'll do, I'll go down and have a look at the West Somerset Railway line. The Minehead is one of the terminuses and Taunton is the other one. I've never been on the line or anything like that, but I probably will at some point. Now while I was there, I went to the shop. I picked up a rail cleaner. I need one of these. This was really dirty, I've already been using it, so that was a good buy. But as well as that, while I was there, a loco turned up, pulling her train about, what time is it, 2 o'clock-ish, something like that. I'm not quite sure what it is, but you'll see later on in the video what it hopefully is. If anyone can recognise what it was a 280 in BR Black, but I can't work out what class it is or anything like that. It could be a 7F or an 8F or something, I don't know. If anyone recognises it, can they leave it below? The same goes for the GWR loco you see and the diesel 040. There was also a diesel class 03, I believe, which I recognised. I probably will be getting one of those. I like them quite a lot. I think they look quite cool. But if anyone can recognise any of the locos that are sort of on the video and the picture stuff, then please just leave a comment below. So it's all was, well, as I mentioned, I wasn't really expecting to go, so you have to excuse it. It's all taken with my phone, so if the video may be a bit, maybe the colours aren't that good, a bit blinded by the sun, or the sound quality isn't very good, then just have to excuse me. It was sort of quite very last minute thing. Didn't have my video cam with me. So anyway, so hopefully you'll enjoy it. As always, leave a comment and thanks for watching.
Good morning, Sarah.